Imagine a world where every creature speaks its own language, and we are just beginning to decipher these intricate codes. Today, let's delve into the mysterious sounds of bulls, a phenomenon that has puzzled scientists for years. In recent decades, researchers have made significant strides in decoding the sounds of various animals. Projects like SETI focus on deciphering the sounds of various animals. Click trains of sperm whales and songs of humpback whales. Scientists are now using digital technology to understand animal communication, from honeybees to elephants. However, the sounds made by bulls remain largely mysterious and complex. The natural world is incredibly vocal. Animals use sound for communication in myriad ways. Yet, despite advancements like machine learning and microphone arrays, the full meaning behind bull sounds remains elusive. For instance, a researcher once pondered if we could use advanced technology to understand the rich language of gelada monkeys. Similarly, bulls might have their own complex language that's yet to be decoded. The implications are vast. Understanding bull communication could lead to better herd management and animal welfare practices. It might also reveal the social dynamics within a bull group. In conclusion, while we've made great strides in understanding many animal sounds, bulls remain a mystery. Their communication is complex and may hold secrets yet to be uncovered. So there you have it, the mysterious world of bull sounds remains largely unexplored. What do you think these sounds could mean? Let us know in the comments below.